Hello guys, welcome. So today we are going to learn about like how we can delete the files from if we created any file and folder, how to delete it. So we have four options here. So let us see one by one. So rm first command is rm remove files or directories. So we can use rm file name dot txt, whatever file is there. We have to give that command rm file dot txt and then it will delete the file. So let us check practically. So this is my Linux. Okay, I can show you. See, this is user Linux. Okay, let me clear this. So I'm in Linux now, so let me create one file. Let me create one file. Touch file1.txt. Okay, I've created one file now. See, you can see here, right? So let us see how we can delete it. rm file name rm file. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's got deleted. Let us check it's deleted or not. Let's confirm. Yes, it is deleted. So let's move to the next option. Next command via rm-r. So what it deletes recursively. See, you can see remove redirectory recursively. Recursively like it check inside anything is there or what, and then it will delete it. So the command is like this: rm-r and directory name deletes the directory its content. Okay, let us check practically. I think already I have file folder. Yes, it is there. So let us try that one. rm-r hyphen r. So folder name. Yes, let us see. Yeah, it's deleted. Let us check. Yes, nothing is there now. Then this command is also working perfectly, and this is a command we used to. So next command we have rm-i. So what it indicates means it prompts before every removal. So like if I want to delete something, we will get one pop-up on the window, right? In that kind way, it will show us the pop-up. Like for confirmation, it asks us to confirmation. So now before every removal, so command is rm-i file name, whatever we have file, that file name. So the description is like ask for confirmation before deleting the file. So it is practically. So for that I need to create a file. Okay, let me create one file. That's file 1.txt. Sorry. Yeah, we created the file. So use this. Let's start this command. rm-i. We'll see it will show the pop-up or not. rm-i. So file name. It is asking rm remove regular empty file or not. It is asking question mark. So you have to press yes. Give confirmation. So it's deleted. Let us check if everything is there. Okay, this one got it right. So let us check next command what we have. F1F. So it will remove the file forcefully. Like if we have any open file and we want to delete it, it will get deleted forcefully. You can see this description is remove file or directories forcefully. So the command is like this rm-f and file name or folder name whatever we have. And explanation is like delete file.txt without prompting, ignoring non-existent files and never prompting. So it will forcefully delete. So let us try. So I think I don't have any files. Let me create again. Touch file1.txt. See, it is created. Now let us see how we can delete rm f and file name. Enter it. See, I think it's deleted. It's not. We didn't got any error, right? So this is executed. See, it got deleted. So now we learn how we can remove the files and delete the files. So if you have any doubts, you can comment me down. I'll clear it. And if I miss anything, please comment down so we can uh, cover it in next part. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.